American automaker Rivian reportedly halted its production lines in Illinois to fix some issues and streamline its manufacturing processes. After a difficult start to R1T production amidst COVID-19 and a few supply chain shortages, Rivian looks to hit higher output targets, aiming for 200 deliverable vehicles a week. Hi, welcome to Everything Cybertruck, where you'll be getting all the latest updates on the announced Tesla Cybertruck. If you enjoy this video, let us know in the comments section below, and why not support us by hitting that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well so you'll be the first to know each time we release a new video. It's free. Rivian is a new, but noteworthy EV automaker, and they are close to delivering their second of two flagship vehicles, the R1S SUV. Currently, all of the company's EVs are manufactured at Rivian's first production facility, located in Normal, Illinois. The Illinois facility was originally a Mitsubishi plant before Rivian acquired it in 2017, 4 years before delivering its first passenger EV. Since then, the automaker has already had 2 additions approved by the town of Normal, totaling 672,000 more square feet. Those production lines got rolling at the end of last summer, as Rivian became the first automaker to deliver an all-electric pickup in September. While initial R1T production outputs averaged around 50 units a week, Rivian saw those numbers fluctuate the rest of 2021. As a result, Rivian was only able to produce 1,015 EVs, delivering 920 of them. This news came on the automaker's quarterly call, in which it admitted missing its delivery target of 1,200 EVs by a few hundred. The result was a tanking of Rivian stock, a loss of about 2/3 of its value after an absolute rocket of an IPO a month prior to the largest of 2021, and the 6th largest in US history. As we cap off 1/12 of 2022, Rivian appears to have taken a pause to regather itself to come back even stronger and attempt to quadruple its production output rate. Rivian addresses production snags to operate more smoothly in 2022. Rivian was said to have halted its production lines for about a week at the start of 2022 to fix and improve its manufacturing processes. According to those familiar with the company, one inhibitor to the production success of the R1T last year was the SOP for its second EV, the R1S SUV. While some customer-ready R1Ss have been built, Rivian still has some pre-production processes to tighten up before it's a full go. Additionally, the automaker is still in the production process of assembling its electric delivery vans for Amazon, 10,000 of which are due for delivery before year's end, followed by 90,000 more before the end of the decade. Like many businesses, Rivian has reportedly also had to manage multiple COVID-19 outbreaks at its Normal, Illinois facility. Following the brief intermission from production, Rivian appears to have addressed many of these issues and is looking to ramp up its EV output to 200 units a week. This news sent Rivian's shares back up on Wednesday, all despite the automaker receiving its first big price target cut from Wall Street earlier. Streamlined production practices are crucial and are certainly a welcome step forward, but there are a lot more manufacturing hurdles to overcome, as Rivian looks to assemble 3 separate EVs in 2022. The company's current footprint in Normal at full scale will be able to produce 150,000 EVs a year by 2023, and expansions are already in the works to up that capacity to 200,000 vehicles. Last December, Rivian announced an additional plant is coming to Georgia that will eventually produce 400,000 vehicles annually. However, Georgia production is not expected to commence until 2024. We'd like to know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome content like this one coming in the future. See you later.